Make money with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways to make money online. Throughout the years, its popularity has gone up and down, but it continues to be a stable way to earn throughout the internet. The best part about affiliate marketing is that you choose from a vast range of companies to partner with, including Shopify, Amazon, Uber, and FabFitFun. Affiliate marketing allows you to live a living by promoting others' brand. If you are a savvy marketer, you can earn a commission from sales by promoting retail products, software, apps, and more. While earning a commission may seem small, keep in mind that you can be an affiliate for several brands and include several affiliate links to a single blog post. If you really want to make money online doing affiliate marketing, best bet is to focus on content marketing by providing or building out a blog with several pages of high quality content. You create an asset you can call your own. Strategically place affiliate links in your blog post to drive traffic to your affiliate partner's website. I hope this video helps, so please subscribe to my channel to get more daily updates. Thank you.